Welcome to my solo Binondo food crawl. All by myself. Walang ka-share, walang kaagaw. Valentine's is near. Chinese New Year season din. Pero reminder lang, pwede kang kumain mag-isa at maging masaya pa din. Ang budget ko for today's food crawl ay 500 pesos lang. So first stop, Ong Pin. I tried the fried pork burger for 80 pesos. Sobrang meaty, savory at puno ng flavor. Perfect pang start. Parang sinasabi niya, kaya mo to mag-isa. Then habang naglalakad, napadaan ako sa Bicho Bicho store. Got the Milky Bicho Bicho for 70 pesos. Ang saya ng texture, hindi nakakaumay. Sakto siyang pang-balance after the pork burger. Next stop, syempre hindi pwedeng skip. Shanghai Fried Siopaw. Isa lang binili ko for 35 pesos. Pero freshly cooked at sobrang init. Best kainin habang naglalakad. Just like the pork burger, savory at meaty ulit. Tapos, may nakita akong new store selling something new. Jade Bun. It's a butter rice cake. Medyo oily tignan, may melted pork floss sa loob, chewy, flavorful, at 50 pesos lang per bun. Tapos medyo nauhaw na ako, so I bought sugarcane drink for 100 pesos. Sa sobrang uhaw ko, naubos ko agad. Ang refreshing niya kasi, parang reset button ng food crawl ko. Last official stop, Lord's Toast Bakery. I bought 1 egg tart for 65 pesos. Classic, creamy, at pang happy ending. Tinignan ko wallet ko, may 100 pesos pa ako natira. Kaya dumaan pa ako sa Salazar Bakery para bumili ng tikoy at hopya. Pang uwi, hello, self-love. So, if you're thinking wala akong kasama, don't be discouraged. You can do a Binondo food crawl alone with 500 pesos. At mas enjoy mo bawat kagat. Kasi minsan, the best date is the one you take yourself on. Yun lang. Thanks for watching. Bye.